Hello, I'm filming a YouTube video. Can you please introduce
Hello,
yourself?
everyone. I am your friendly AI companion, an anime-inspired waifu.
Yes, finally. Oh, you know what? It sounds okay. Granted, it's going to be quite expensive to keep running, but honestly, cheaper than 11 Labs. I wonder how much did that end up costing me anyways. Open AI API usage. No here. $5.65? No. I might as well be paying to go on dates at this point. OpenAI is committing highway robbery against me. No, it's time to start my villain, or I'm just gonna do it myself. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm too cheap to pay for my dates, so we're gonna do this. The plan this time is actually shockingly simple. Currently, the waifu works like this. I say something, it gets transcribed by Python, and then it's fed into ChatGPT on their GPT model, right? GPT-4o mini. Then ChatGPT basically generates an output, and then that is fed into their text-to-speech model using their default voices. I'm then taking that voice and then plugging it into a voice changer using RVC, and then a bunch of audio cables in between, and then outputting that as a nice anime voice for me to listen to. Now, as you probably saw, the two problems with that come with the configuration. I need to plug in a lot of audio cables here and there virtually, and on top of that, the OpenAI text-to-speech model is probably the most expensive $$ part of the entire project. So what are we gonna do instead? Well, it's actually pretty simple. We're going to take that part, the text-to-speech part, remove it entirely, and then make our own. To train I have no idea what is going on here. Whatever. Wait, that worked? Well, you know what? I have two mottos in life. C's get degrees, and if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. So, well, it's not broke. Let's not try to fix it. Hey, what if it's working, it's working. Alright gang, so the voice model's done training, and you know what? It's time for us to test it. So apparently, all I have to do is just copy paste this command, for example, and then, for example, just have something I want to say here. So if I replace the text here, for example, is, hey, this is just some testing. How are you? Question mark? It should, theoretically, just play as long as I specify the right checkpoint. Bing, bang, boom. Let's see how it works. All right, so it generated an output.wav file. Let's see how. Turn it down. Oh, my ears. Oh, what am I doing with my life? Now, at this point, it was pretty clear. I literally had no idea what I was doing. I mean, I did get it to work on my computer, but at the end of the day, after 8 hours or overnight training, it just sounded like garbage. And I have no idea where it went wrong. So, I decided, you know what, I guess I have to hit the books at this point. Alright, here's a simple explanation on how text-to-speech models work according to my research. I'll put some Subway Surfers on in the background, so hopefully you guys can stay tuned for this. Essentially, you want to get words turned into audio files. But how do you do that by training your own text-to-speech model? Well, on a fundamental level, you need two things. First, audio files, and then second, its corresponding transcript. And then there are certain models that basically train the audio to match with the given transcript. And fundamentally, that's just how it works. Except there's a problem. English is actually just a shitty language, which means that not all words sound the same, and not all words spelled the same sound the same. So essentially, the solution to that is that they break it down the English language, the English words into things called phonemes, which are these like weird hieroglyph looking things that represent the actual sound of the word that is being spoken. And then the machine learning model basically tries to match these hieroglyphs with the actual waveforms. And then it does this over every single audio file in your dataset and every single transcript, and it does this over maybe 500 to 1,000 times, trying to basically play a word guessing game. So after like hours and hours of training, what you get is this big complex mind. It's a black box essentially with a neural network that basically tries to predict what text you're entering into the given waveform. That's it. So what did I find out after all that research? Yeah, I found out it wasn't a me issue, it's actually a GPU issue. Thank you. No. In all seriousness, I was training it on the LJ speech dataset, which came with the tutorial. However, that dataset has like 24 hours of actually just this woman talking over an audiobook. And, you know, that would obviously take a long time to train, and my GTX 1050 Ti or something wasn't even gonna cut it. So long story short, I need a new GPU. I mean, how much do those cost anyways? I mean, look, surely I can just buy best machine learning GPUs. Let's see. H180 gigabytes. Ooh, this. Wait, I've never heard of this one. I think it's NVIDIA, no? Okay. Cost. Let's see. In stock? Oh, maybe I can buy one. How to start a GoFundMe page. Okay. What should my script be though? What's like a really good catchy one? Title. Dying of cancer, need NVIDIA GPU. I'm just joking, guys. That post didn't go up. It's not up. But if you guys want to fund me a new for $81,000 CAD or USD, you know what? Like. Anyways, so it was at this point I realized I needed someone else's GPU because I did not have enough GPU to train my own voice. What was the solution? Well, I actually heard about Google Colab. It's this basic notebook or platform that allows you to run your code on their GPUs, which is exactly what I was looking for. All that was left to do is copy my code right up on there and it should work. Holy smokes, that is a lot of errors. I don't know if I should be concerned or not. Runtime error module was compiled against NumPy AC API. Gibberish. It's gibberish. I have no idea what's going on. Alright, I have 1 billion errors in my Google Colab notebook, and I have no idea how to figure it out. And I'm going to do the best thing that I can possibly do. Give up on my dreams and die. Alright guys, exciting stuff actually. So after doing a little bit more research, I found that NVIDIA has this architecture called Talknet, and it's been all the rage about like a year ago, and you know what? I think it's good. Like, I think it produces really good results. All we need to do is just plug this in and yeah, just train it. Okay, but where is it? Fast pitch, Hivegan, Radis, TTS, Spectrogram, Tacotron, 2 stages, Univ, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, T, T, A? Hello? Wait, where is it? Is Talknet depreciated? Talknet 2 was depreciated? No. I'm gonna. Hey friends, sorry for the commercial break. It's future Rayan here. While past Rayan is recovering from his mental damage, I'd like to present to you with my Discord server. You can join my Discord server, and if you're struggling with your code, just like I am, don't worry. It won't get any better there, but you can always vent it out with other people in the Discord server. So what are you waiting for? Join now. Okay, back to the video. Okay guys, don't worry. I'm back. You know what? I found that they have a nice tutorial section, okay, on the TT. Don't worry guys, I'm fine. I'm still mentally sane, okay? Don't worry about me. So, you know what? It's fine. Talknet depreciated. Whatever. No, it's fine. You know what? We're going back to Vits. We're good old Vits, right? So, Vits. You know what? Nemo has a pretty nice tutorial on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this into Google Colab. And if it doesn't work for like first try, I'm actually going to storm NVIDIA headquarters. Yeah. So, you know, it's fine. We'll see. Better work though. The notebook did not in fact work outside of the box. However, Rayan persisted, working through all the errors in the Google Colab notebook, defeating error after error. And at the end of the road, there was only one final step left: to train the model and wait for the results. Alright gang, so we are back. So here I've trained the Google Colab notebook for about 5 hours now, and it's gotten to 200 epochs max. So we're just gonna enter a phrase and we're just gonna compare each audio file that comes out of it. So let's see what I like. Can I even say a basic phrase like this? Question mark. And we just run that and go to output 100. So here we go. Let's take a listen. I'm nervous. Okay, you know what? For 100 epochs, at least it's not static. We'll take it. But here's the thing. Well, I'll just quickly switch it to 150 epochs and hopefully you will see the progression. All right, so same phrase, but this time using the 150 epochs trained model. See if there's a little bit of a difference.
Can I even say a basic phrase like this?
What am I doing with my life? What am I doing? Okay, you know what? At least it sounds human. Okay. Next. 200. We'll see how this sounds.
Can I even say a basic phrase like this?
Okay, not much different. Well, that's all I got for today. Yeah, you know what? At the end of the day, even if the outputs sound like gibberish, at least we know how it works, right? So we've trained using their default data sets, right? Using the LJ speech data set, 24 hours, at least we know everything is running. All I have to do now is essentially just replace this entire data set with an anime girl voice data set. And that's all I need to do, and we'll call it a day. Where am I gonna get 24 hours of anime voice? Is it irresponsible for me not to figure this out right now? Yeah, it is, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Goodbye, guys.